Hey everyone, welcome to the end of another exciting week of day trading the S&P. Do you ever just think to yourself, how incredible is it that we all have access to the world's greatest source of wealth, to the greatest engine of wealth in the world? Like every day through our phones, we can tap into the stock market and make $1 out of 15 cents. Like, it is sometimes mind-boggling to me. Like, what a privilege, what an opportunity. Obviously, I have the day's chart on the screen, and I will show you how I made $1 out of 15 cents today in the next screens. I hope you have a great weekend. I know I missed so many of your questions the other day. I'll get to them over the weekend. Thanks for following along.